Okay, so where is everybody else? We've all watched TV shows or heard something that says, there's hundreds of millions of planets, and of that, X amount must be Earth-like, and that X amount usually comes to millions of planets that could be just like us. So if that's true, why aren't there like traffic jams between planets? But there isn't. So here's an explanation. Have you ever heard of this? It's called the Fermi Paradox. In a nutshell, this is what it means. Fermi was an American physicist, and he's stumped by these glaring contradictions between the lack of evidence for extraterrestrial civilization somewhere else in the Milky Way galaxy and the high estimates of their probability. Here are the main points. There are billions of stars in the galaxy that are similar to the Sun, and many of these stars are billions of years older than our solar system. Scientifically, there is a high probability that at least some of these stars have Earth-like planets, and if the Earth is typical, may have already developed intelligent life, similar to us. Some of these civilizations may have developed interstellar travel, a step that we're going through right now. We're starting to come into right now. Following that reasoning, and based on the rock solid evidence of calculations, mathematics, we should have been visited by extraterrestrials at least several times by now, but we haven't. And that leads to what they call the great filter, they, the scientific community. A theory that says that all existing species of life encounters a stage of evolution so hard to endure, it eliminated most civilizations, here or in outer space. There is also another theory. According to a study published in 2019 by Astronomical Journal, uh, what they're saying, the Milky Way galaxy could be filled with alien life, but extraterrestrial life might be taking its time to fully explore the galaxy, just like we are, even using the movement of star systems to make the type of journey easier. Maybe they're just getting started, just like we are, in other words. So this guy, Dr. Jonathan Nellenbeck, he's a computer scientist with that project, he said this: if you don't account for the motion of stars when you try to solve this problem, you're basically left with one of two solutions. One, either everybody leaves their planet, or we are, in fact, only technologically civilized civilization in this galaxy. In other words, stars and planets orbit the center of the Milky Way on a unique path at varying speeds, and when they sometimes zip past one another as they travel, aliens, according to the report, could simply be waiting for the next destination to come close.